Hi, it's Mary Mackenzie, and I'm going to talk to you about my upcoming course in the NVC Conference that's called The Heart of Nonviolent Communication, an Introduction. Have you already been to 100 intros? I think I have, honestly, and I've liked most of them. I think it's fun to come back to the basics sometimes. And in fact, sometimes when I'm really struggling, I come right back to the basics. What do I need to do? Right, I need to notice my feelings and needs. I need to develop my emotional vocabulary. I need to be more grounded in my own needs. If you're a person who's already attended a lot of intros, I hope you'll come to this one because I'm certain you're going to learn something new. But I also think this is an opportunity for you to bring in family members and friends who you have hesitated to bring into the NVC world. Maybe you are worried NVC was too woo-woo for them. This intro isn't woo-woo. It's about the basics of NVC done in a way that makes it accessible to anybody, easy to take in the concepts, and a wonderful way to start a person's NVC journey, or to even see whether they could be interested in NVC in other ways. I hope you'll join me because I think this is a fun time to get together and remind ourselves yet again what the basics are.